Welcome back, and it's time now to take a look at some of the biggest stock movers of the week. And let me put this on a 5-day basis. I'm going to start with Tesla because of all the mega caps here, it is by far down the most, down 16%. By the way, that is its worst one-week performance since March of 2020, and that would put it all the way back down here near the pandemic lows. It is up substantially more than that. However, you got to take a look at this top right here and wonder if that is a huge distribution top, because Elon Musk has been selling a lot of Tesla stock. That's one of the big headlines from this week. Now, you take a look at this 10-year chart, that is a different story, but let's dial it back down to a year-to-date chart, and you can see that it is camping out back down by those lows of the year. Also, as if there's not enough other news, we're also going to take a look in the Dow at Disney. Now, we got Avatar, Way of the Water, coming out this weekend. I think $17 million in pre-sales. That's chump change, right? Because this movie is supposed to bring in about $190 million over the weekend, and that's just getting started. I think the original Avatar of 2009 brought in something like almost $3 billion, or $3 billion. I'm getting my orders of magnitude mixed up here. So let's move on to the travel sector, where we got a little bit of disappointing news from some of the air carriers this week. JetBlue dialing back down some of its expectations for the fourth quarter. Also saw that out of Spirit Airlines, some of their key metrics undergoing a little bit of revision here. So December, not the best travel month it's looking like so far, and some of these airlines have been stumbling. Here's JetBlue, another stock that is down about over 50% year to date, camping out by its lows as well. Just want to get on to Spirit Airlines. I mentioned that as well. And you can see that's a little bit of a different picture here, some really choppy action, although it's in, I would say, the lower third of its price range for the year. Dave?
Spirit Airlines just adding routes between Charleston, South Carolina and Newark, New Jersey. $40. I just thought you might want to know that.
Thank you.
Big fan of Charleston, South Carolina, for those wondering.